Perfect chisel rebate, completed altogether, probably in less than a minute. You can probably mark one of these out, do your cuts to define the top and the bottom of the hinge, rebate with the router, and then neaten up in less than a minute. So all three hinges, obviously 3 minutes altogether. Now if you were to try doing that with just the chisel and hammer, you'd probably take about between 20 minutes and half an hour to do one hinge rebate, and it would be messy. It wouldn't be anywhere near as straight. I mean, these rebates are pretty much perfect. You can pay £200 upwards for a jig to attach to the doors, and then get your router if you don't feel too comfortable or confident. But it's real easy. You can't really go wrong as long as you've got this collar tight here so that your bit doesn't come loose while you're routing, as long as your the base is tight so that doesn't come loose and change the depth setting that you've got. You can't go wrong. So nice and steady. You get yourself a jig to hold the door. You're going to be straddling the door. The door's not going to go anywhere. It's in between your knees, and you just look over the top of the router, have it turned down to a 4.5. You can always have a practice go first on a scrap piece of wood. So the first one's done. Won't take too long. I'm going to keep the camera filming now to let you see how the second one's done. So right, so after we use the router, you can see it's nice and level. Any small bits that are like this little bit here, it's less than 1 millimetre. All we have to do is use our large chisel again. Straddle the door, just lightly push over, go back over these edges again. Going deep enough to start with. Here, a couple of small taps. There you have it.